Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are all is fine. In this occasion, we here today for International Collaborative Conference on Multidisciplinary Science with the theme Exploring the Intersection of AI and Digital Technologies Across Multidisciplinary Perspective. We are proudly present our material with title The Influence of Social Media and Financial Literacy on Decision to Use Shopee Pay Later. Before we begin our presentation, let me introduce ourselves. The first is myself, Fani Nur Zabrina. Second is Supri Harti. Third is Dwi Septiana Wulandari. And the last is Natania Regita Cahyani. We are from Manajemen ITB AS Indonesia, Surakarta. And this is our presentation.
Abstract. For today's young generation, Shopee Pay Later is a convenience in making pay later transaction. This study aims to determine the effect of financial literacy on social media on the decision to ask Shopee Pay Later on the young generation of Surakarta, Indonesia. This study is a quantitative study using multiple linear regression analysis through the prerequisite test of validity test, reliability test, classical assumption test, and Fay test. The population in the study was the young generation in Surakarta. The sample of study was 60 sample. The results of study indicate that financial literacy and social media both have a partial effect on the decision to ask Shopee Pay Later.
Currently, the field of technology is experiencing very rapid development as a result of development in digitalization technology. Technology is very important for business competition, such as small and large business and follow long distance communication and transaction. In the past, transactions were carried out directly or through barter. Now they can be done via online website. Nowadays, transactions are easier with pay later or pay later. One of the applications is Shopee Pay Later. Shopee Pay Later is very popular among the younger generation because the terms are easy and flexible and the interest rates are relatively low. Most Shopee users are young people with an age range between 20 and 40 years. The factor that could be the cause of the day young generation using Shopee Pay Later service is financial literacy and social media. Today, young generation must be able to manage their own finance.
Next, theory. A. Financial literacy. Huston in Ismanto et al. 2019 said that financial literacy is a person's ability and knowledge about how to do things related to money that have an impact on their behavior and their welfare. A person's ability to understand financial information is known as financial literacy. B. Social media. Social media is a form online media that functions with the help of web-based technology which changes the way communication takes place, which previously could only take place in one direction to become two-way. Social media is a place, service, and source of information that allows everyone to communicate and share with other people using the internet. C. Usage decision. Argitama 2020 says that a usage decision is a decision to choose between many options. In other words, each person must make a usage decision that is really needed. C. Usage decision. Argitama in 2020 states that a usage decision is a decision to choose between many options. In other words, each person must make a usage decision that is really needed.
Research method. This study used a quantitative approach data. For this study, were collection through a questionnaire. In addition, Puela Legacy is the selected location. The population of this study were residents of Surakarta. This study used a non-probability sampling technique. The sampling method is based on respondents who use Shopee PayLater in the Surakarta area. To determine the number of samples to be taken in this study, such a theory according to Ferdinand, where certain factors will be considered and adjusted to research objective, and the number of indicators will be multiplied by 5 and 9. In this study, there are two variable X, namely financial literacy and social media, and the sample used in this study is 6 indicator multiplied by 10 is 60 samples.
Next, discussion. We discuss about the influence of financial literacy on the decision to use Shopee PayLater. There is a significant influence between financial literacy and the decision to use Shopee PayLater. Therefore, the higher the knowledge and good financial literacy in the younger generation, but they have different types of needs and income levels that are not enough to meet their needs. They dare to decide to use PayLater with all the consequences that will be received. Influence of social media on the decision to use Shopee PayLater. There is a significant influence between social media on the decision to use Shopee PayLater. The younger generation currently uses social media to dig up the information they need because the ease of using it has resulted in many young people being addicted to social media. In deciding to use PayLater, it is inseparable from the advertisement offered by social media, which can be easily found on Google, Web, TikTok, or Instagram. Many social media platforms offer convenience, terms, and benefits that can be obtained when using PayLater.
Conclusion. This study was conducted to determine the influence of financial literacy and social media on the discussion to us better on the young generation in Surakarta. Besides on the research and with the testing carried out several hypotheses in the study, the results show that all independent variable or variable X, namely financial literacy and social media, have a significant effect on variable Y in terms of the decision to us Shopee PayLater. The suggestion of this study is that the Shopee PayLater company is expected with the current social media. Shopee PayLater can take advantage of the media develop its service with promotion using available platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and others. Because the lifestyle of the current young generation is quick hike, it is hoped the Shopee PayLater can be wise and not take advantage of the situation so that the young generation can grow into a generation that does not depend on PayLater in the future.